Did you know that 71% of organizations are now using Agile approaches more frequently for their projects? Welcome to our Agile Whisperers YouTube channel. Agile, a term that's become a mainstay in the world of project management, isn't just a methodology. It's a mindset, a way of tackling challenges that places collaboration, flexibility, and customer satisfaction at its core, and professionals who master this mindset can embark on an exciting career journey. Imagine going from being a Scrum Master, the champion of Agile practices within a team, to an Agile Coach, guiding multiple teams towards continuous improvement, or even climbing higher to the role of a release train engineer, an Agile PMO lead, and finally, a Lean portfolio manager. Each role presents unique challenges and opportunities for growth. Intrigued yet? Let's begin the journey from being a Scrum Master to reaching the heights of a Lean portfolio manager next on our Agile Whisperers channel. As a Scrum Master, you're the champion of Agile practices within your team. Imagine yourself as the conductor of an orchestra, bringing harmony to the work environment and ensuring each team member is in sync with the rhythm of the project. Your role is pivotal as you bridge the gap between the team and the client, ensuring that the Scrum framework is followed to the letter. To excel as a Scrum Master, you'll need a unique blend of skills. You have to be an excellent communicator, a problem solver, and a servant leader. Your days will be filled with facilitating meetings, removing any obstacles that may hinder the team's progress, and ensuring that the team delivers value to the client. Let's hear from a seasoned Scrum Master to shed some light on what it takes to succeed in this role. In their words, being a Scrum Master is not just about managing tasks. It's about empowering the team. It's about nurturing a positive and collaborative environment where each member feels valued and motivated to deliver their best. It's about turning a group of individuals into a cohesive, high-performing team. Indeed, a Scrum Master's role goes beyond the surface. You are the team's coach, mentor, and cheerleader, all rolled into one. You support the team in their journey, helping them understand the Agile philosophy and practices, and guiding them to become self-organizing and cross-functional. But remember, mastering the art of Scrum is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about continuous learning and improvement. The Agile world is dynamic, and as a Scrum Master, you need to be adaptable and open to change. You need to keep up with the latest trends and techniques, and continuously hone your skills and knowledge to stay ahead of the curve. So to all the aspiring Scrum Masters out there, remember that your role is both challenging and rewarding. You have the opportunity to make a significant impact on your team's performance and the overall success of the project. And once you've mastered the art of Scrum, there's no limit to where your career can take you. Mastering the art of Scrum is only the beginning. Let's see where it can lead. After mastering Scrum, many professionals transition into the role of an Agile Coach. With the Scrum framework under their belts, these individuals are poised to take on a new set of challenges and rewards. As an Agile Coach, you're no longer just shepherding one team. Instead, you're guiding multiple teams, helping them to adopt Agile principles and foster a culture of continuous improvement. This is a role that goes beyond the mechanics of managing a project. It's about nurturing an environment that encourages collaboration, innovation, and flexibility. It's about promoting a mindset that values individuals and interactions over processes and tools. And most importantly, it's about helping teams to deliver value, fast and frequently. Now, some of you may be wondering, what does a day in the life of an Agile Coach look like? Well, let's hear it from an experienced Agile Coach. She shares, "As an Agile Coach, I spend my days observing teams, providing feedback, and offering guidance. I conduct workshops to enhance team dynamics and facilitate learning. I help teams reflect on their performance and identify areas for improvement. It's a role that demands a lot of empathy, patience, and communication skills. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The Agile Coach also faces challenges: resistance to change, conflicts within teams, or misalignment between the team's objectives and the organization's goals can all pose hurdles. Yet, these challenges are also opportunities for the Agile coach to demonstrate their problem-solving skills and their ability to influence change. Despite these challenges, our Agile coach maintains, helping teams unlock their potential and see tangible improvements is incredibly fulfilling. Every day brings a new learning opportunity. It's a journey of continuous growth, not just for the teams I coach, but for myself as well. The transition from Scrum Master to Agile Coach is a journey of growth, learning, and fulfillment. But the Agile career path doesn't end here. Coaching teams to unlock their potential is fulfilling, but there's more to explore in the Agile world. From there, some Agile professionals pivot into the role of a release train engineer, especially in larger organizations. Now, this is where the Agile career path takes an interesting turn. The release train engineer, or RTE, is not just a step up from the Agile coach role, but it's a shift in perspective, a move from team-based focus to a more holistic, organization-wide view. As a release train engineer, you'll find yourself at the heart of a large-scale Agile framework. You'll be tasked with overseeing the Agile release train. This is a term we use in Agile to describe a long-lived team of Agile teams, which, together, deliver one or more solutions for the business. Like the conductor of a real train, you're ensuring all the carriages, or in this case teams, are aligned and moving in the right direction. But it's not just about keeping the train on the tracks. As an RTE, you're the facilitator, the problem solver, and the peacekeeper. You'll be coordinating with stakeholders, managing risks, and resolving blockers that might hinder the progress of the train. And of course, you'll be there to ensure transparency and foster a culture of continuous learning and improvement across all the teams on your train. Let's hear from an experienced release train engineer to get an insider's perspective. In my role as an RTE, I'm constantly juggling different responsibilities. It's about balancing the needs of multiple teams and stakeholders while keeping the release on track. This role requires strong communication skills, strategic thinking, and a real passion for Agile principles. It's challenging but incredibly rewarding. Stepping up as a release train engineer can seem daunting, but it's a role that offers incredible opportunities for growth and impact. It's a chance to shape the Agile journey of an entire organization and to lead a diverse and dynamic group of teams towards delivering value. Managing release trains effectively is a skill. Let's see where it can take us next. Next on the career ladder is the role of an Agile PMO lead. This role is like a maestro conducting an orchestra of Agile projects, ensuring harmony and synchrony in execution. As an Agile PMO lead, you're at the helm of Agile initiatives, providing strategic direction and establishing key metrics to track progress and performance. What makes this role unique is the balance it strikes between maintaining Agile principles and aligning with the larger goals of the organization. It's a dance of adaptability and structure, innovation and governance. You're not just facilitating Agile practices, you're embedding them into the very fabric of the organization. As an Agile PMO lead, you're also responsible for driving continuous improvement. You're the catalyst for change, encouraging teams to embrace the Agile mindset of learning, iterating, and growing. You foster an environment where every project, every sprint, every retrospective is an opportunity to do better, to deliver more value. But let's hear from someone who lives and breathes this role every day. Our Agile PMO lead guest says, bringing Agile methodologies into the project management office elevates efficiency and transparency throughout the organization. It's about creating a culture where Agile is not just a methodology, but a way of life. It's about empowering teams to self-organize, make decisions, and deliver value quickly and effectively. But equally important is aligning these Agile practices with the larger organizational goals. You can't be Agile in a vacuum. It has to tie back to the business strategy, the mission, the vision. That's the real power of an Agile PMO. Indeed, aligning Agile practices with organizational goals is crucial, but there's one more step in our Agile career path. So stay tuned as we explore the final rung of the ladder, the role of a lean portfolio manager. Buckle up because we're about to hit the summit. Finally, Some Agile professionals ascend to the role of Lean Portfolio Manager. This position is the pinnacle of the Agile career ladder, where your strategic planning skills are put to the ultimate test. As a Lean Portfolio Manager, you're not just steering a single project or even a train of projects. You're overseeing an entire portfolio of Agile initiatives, aligning each one with the overall business objectives. Your role is to ensure that every investment made into these initiatives is maximized for value delivery. This role requires a keen understanding of business strategy, financial acumen, and strong leadership skills. You are the one who sets the direction, and it's your vision that guides the Agile initiatives within your organization. Success in this role means delivering value efficiently and effectively, driving innovation, and achieving organizational goals. So there you have it, the career path of an Agile professional. Share this video with others who might be interested and explore more about Agile careers.